we have the special honor and privilege of introducing you all to the Beard Bae, the owner and CEO of My Exclusive Looks, Marcinda Hankins, right? Is it Hankins?
Yes, it is.
Hankins. Yes. So talk to us about the other products out here, because we know all about the beard sauce. What else do you have and offer with your kits that you're doing now?
Okay, so the way that the line works is you will have the shampoo. So again, with the shampoo, it's paired with the exfoliator.
Okay.
Like I would just mention, that's you prepping the skin, right?
Okay.
The beard sauce comes in. That's your treatment that actually treats the skin as well as the hair. That's something that you do maybe once or twice a month. And then after that, you have to rinse that completely out because, again, we've already shared that the base of it is honey.
Right.
It's all natural organic products, ingredients. And then after you rinse that completely out, you'll follow behind with the butter. Now, my butter is my #1 seller.
The butter?
The butter. The butter is my #1 seller.
It's like Country Crock or what? You know, what kind of butter are you talking about here?
It's a natural leave-in daily moisturizer or my idea sand lotion for the skin. And guess what it smells like?
What does it smell like?
Nothing. So just the story that stands out is last year I found out about the Houston cigar weed. And when I found out about it, the opportunity for vendors has already closed. The window has already closed. And then my sister knew one of the people on the, the board, I guess you can say. And so I was able to get in contact with him. And I said, hey, I would like to participate and be a vendor. You know, is it too late? And he was like, well, what do you have? Because it is.
We
already have everybody. I said, I have a men's beard care line. And he said, okay, well, look, like some beard oils and beard balms. I said, no, not necessarily. And I showed him clips of me doing the actual on-the-spot experience. And I told him my story. And he said, yo, that's innovative and that's dope. He said, I don't know where I'm going to put you at, but we got to have you because we don't have nobody there for that.